Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert Word file into picture. So this is the file which I'm going to convert. So for that, what I need to do, first of all, just go and select the whole page you want to convert into picture. So this is the thing which I'm going to convert into picture. So I have selected it by using my mouse. Once you do that, just hit right click and just click on copy. Once you do that, click on file. Now click on blank document here, and now just go to the option paste. So we have to click on this little arrow, and then here you will see the option for paste special. Just click here, then select on picture enhance meta file. Once you do that, click on OK, and yeah, you can see we have converted the file into picture now, and this picture we are going to save in our PC. So for that, hit right click, click on save as picture, then just select the location where you want to save this file. I'm going to save it on, let's suppose, in this file by the name of sample data. So I'll just save it right here. You can just name your file. I'll name it, let's suppose, xyz. Now in the save as type, we need to select it on jpeg, then just click on save. Now if I go and open that folder where we have saved that file, here you can see the file. If I click on it, and yeah, you can see we have successfully converted our Word file into picture. Now guys, if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.